Here is how to transfer files from your internal storage to SD card on your Android phone. So let's get started. The first step is to open the Files app. So just search for My Files. If you have a Samsung phone, you'll find this app, or else you can just search for Files and you'll find a file manager app based on your phone. One thing to note that I'm doing this on a Samsung phone. So if you have another phone, the interface may be a bit different, but the steps will remain the same. So once you're in the Files app, the first step is to locate the files and folders which you want to transfer from internal storage to your SD card. So I'll scroll down and come to internal storage. And here I have to select the files that I want to transfer. And if you can't find them, you can just search for them on top. So for now, I'll transfer this folder called YouTube. So I'll long click on it. And I'll also transfer this file called random file. So I have two things selected. And the same way, you can keep selecting more if you want to. Now the next step is to move it to our SD card. Now here we have two options. One option is to move it, which means that it will be deleted from here and moved onto your SD card. And if you want to copy it onto your SD card, you can do that as well. Both the options are below. For now, I'll move it, which means it'll get deleted from internal storage. After this, we have to go to the location where we want to move it, which is the SD card. So go back. Then here select SD card, and now we've reached the SD card. So you have one option to just paste it here, or if you want to create a folder and paste it in that, you can do that as well. So I'll click on the three dots on the top right to create a folder, select create folder, I'll just name it backup. After that, click on the folder, and now just click on move here. And as you can see, the file and folder, they've both come here, and they would be deleted from internal storage. So this is how to transfer from your internal storage to your SD card. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.